Hello and welcome to UNI Knows. I'm Professor Shaw and here's what I know. I missed my calling as a graphic designer and a visual artist.
More to the point, we're here in this art lab because our guest, Roy Behrens, studies how graphic design impacts many other areas of study.
And I designed a new UNI Knows logo. May I have a drum roll, please?
Wow, I can see why you're a math teacher.
Professor.
Whatever. Let's see what Roy Behrens knows.
Uh-oh. Hi, I'm Roy Behrens, and I teach at UNI in the Department of Art. And what I know is, in my research, I think my greatest passion is in finding out things that nobody ever knew before. My research is about how people see, and I do this in a couple of ways. When I work in graphic design, I design things. I design books, advertising, websites, animations. I try to make them work effectively. But I also study camouflage because in order to hide something, you have to know how vision works. I began my research of camouflage because I accidentally began to find all of these curious facts and stories that I had no idea about. And I kept finding them more and more. And the more I would research, the more I would find. And it's never stopped. You have to know how people see figures against backgrounds. You have to know how they distinguish one thing from another. And then you can purposely confuse them on that basis. My research is important because it centers on problem solving. And after students work with me, they are better able to solve problems, any problem, whether technical, professional, or personal. People who come to UNI to work with us very often go on to wonderful careers in web design, in animation, in book and magazine, and other kinds of publication design, or sometimes they even own their own firms. I can tell when a student is learning merely by looking at their work, by the work that they're doing. I can see it in there. And once they see it, then I really don't have to do much except to encourage them, and they just continue to grow and they get better and better. And that's what I know.
Hold still, I'm almost done.
How is it looking? Are you communicating what you want to?
Oh, yes.